Normal English versus Advanced English. I'm happy with it. I'm thoroughly satisfied with it. I'm tired. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. I like it. I'm fond of it. I'm busy. I'm swamped with work. I'll think about it. I'll give it some thought. I'm hungry. I'm starving. It's cold. It's freezing. It's hot. It's scorching. I don't know. I have no idea. I understand. I completely comprehend. I'll try. I'll make an attempt. I need help. I require assistance. Can you help me? Could you lend me a hand? I'm fine. I'm doing well, thank you. I don't like it. I'm not fond of it. That's good. That's excellent. I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. It's important. It's of utmost importance. I'll call you. I'll give you a ring. Wait a moment. Please hold on for a moment. I'm surprised. I'm astonished. Be quiet. Please remain silent. I believe you. I have full faith in you. I'm nervous. I'm apprehensive. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. It's very expensive. It's outrageously expensive. I'm afraid. I'm terrified. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. It's easy. It's a breeze. That's not right. That's incorrect. Come here. Kindly approach. I don't care. I'm indifferent. It's difficult. It's challenging. I'll do it. I'll take care of it. I'm late. I'm running behind schedule. I'm not interested. I'm disinterested. It's a mistake. It's an error. It's not possible. It's out of the question. I'm surprised. I'm taken aback. It's my mistake. It's my fault entirely. I can't believe it. I'm in disbelief. It's my turn. It's my responsibility now. Let's go. Let's get moving. I'm tired of it. I've had enough of it. He's annoying. He's bothersome. I'm not happy. I'm dissatisfied. I'm angry. I'm furious. It's enough. That's sufficient. I'm really sorry. I deeply regret it. I'm ready. I'm fully prepared. I feel bad. I feel guilty. I don't agree. I disagree entirely. I'll pay. I'll cover the expenses. It's hard to say. It's difficult to determine. You're right. You're absolutely correct. I'm worried. I'm concerned. I'm fine with it. I have no objections. That's not true. That's completely false. Let's start. Let's commence. I think so. I'm of that opinion. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm saddened by that news. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. I will wait. I'll be patient. I want to eat. I'd like to have a meal. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain about it. I'm glad. I'm pleased. It's great. It's fantastic. Don't forget. Please remember, I don't believe you. I find it hard to believe. I'm feeling better. I'm on the mend. I'm confused. I'm perplexed. I want to leave. I'd like to depart. I'm thinking about it. I'm contemplating it. Please hurry. Kindly expedite. It's finished. It's been completed. You're funny. You're amusing. It's strange. It's peculiar. I'm so happy. I'm overjoyed. I'm bored. I'm uninterested. Let's meet. Let's get together. I love you. I'm deeply in love with you. I trust you. I have complete confidence in you. It's urgent. It's of immediate concern. Don't worry. No need to be concerned. It's new. It's brand new. I'm excited. I'm enthusiastic. It's too much. It's overwhelming. Be careful. Exercise caution. I don't mind. I have no objections. It's not bad. It's quite acceptable. I don't like it. I'm not particularly fond of it. That's funny. That's hilarious. I'm leaving. I'm departing now. Don't be late. Ensure you're punctual, that's enough. That'll suffice, it's too difficult. It's incredibly challenging, I can't decide. I'm unable to make a decision, it's wrong. It's incorrect.